Let's fry some fish. Hello, we have met again and welcome to my kitchen. I hope you are doing well. If today is the first time here, we share easy recipes, so kindly subscribe or follow for more videos. Please, it is absolutely free, okay? And I know you will love it here. Thank you so much for doing that. Without wasting much of your time, we will get to today's activity. So I have my fish here. Now I am just going to remove the scale and then we can proceed. I'm so sorry if the video is not clear, okay? Yes, I'm so sorry. Thank you so much. So I will use my spoon, or if you have anything that is not very sharp, okay, just use it to scrape off the scale, because if it is very sharp it is going to make the place messy, okay? But if it is not sharp and you scrape off the scale, the place will be very clean after that. You can as well use some the ice cream sticks and it works perfectly, okay? Yeah, thank you so much. I'll continue with this so I am done with everything and then we will proceed. But do you know what, with a scale or working on the scale, I will just send the fish behind the scene and then go continue there. When I am done, I will come back and then share with you the next step we are supposed to do. After that, I will just go ahead and then remove the grills and then the intestine, okay? So you create a space there, or you separate the grills and then the head, then you just bring everything out from the belly. I hope you get it. As for this fish, does not contain anything blood, and that is what I like about it, okay? Another step is to add some lemon juice. Wash it very well. You can as well use your salt or you can use your vinegar. I always tell you that I ate some fried fish somewhere and oh my goodness, it was very fishy, just say and it had no taste. But you know, sometimes you just have to eat it like that, by showing beautiful face. Yes, because the person puts in much effort, okay, to prepare that is just by the way. After that, I'm just going to put the tail in the mouth and then we can proceed. We all do mistakes sometimes, and that is why whenever I see anything bad about someone's cooking, I don't want to judge, okay? Maybe that day was a bad day, or that was the day that it didn't go well, okay? We all sometimes, when we prepare food, sometimes does not go well. It's not always that it will go well, okay? Now we are done wrapping everything and I am just going to add this lemon to it again. But if you're watching me, make sure you always use lemon for your fish, okay, so that it can be enjoyable. Yes, because when it is very fishy like that, oh my goodness, it is so hard to enjoy. Yes. Now whilst we were done with that, we allowed the fish to be in the salt water for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes we strained the water from it, and now we are just going to coat the fish with the flour you just saw. Whilst that is going on, I had the oil on fire, and this is how we are going to coat the fish, just like this, with the all-purpose flour, soft flour, bread flour, any flour, okay? It is good to go. Even if you want to coat it with rice flour, it will work perfectly, just that it will not be smooth like compared to the bread flour and then the soft flour. Do you get it? Yeah, So after that, you just drop it in the oil and then start frying. We are on all social media platforms. The name is Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. Please follow us for more videos, for short videos like a minute or less than a minute duration videos. Okay, that's the video is very detailed. The recipes are very detailed, but they are just a minute or less than a minute. Just follow us on all social media platforms, including YouTube Shorts, and trust me, you will love it. Or you will love all the recipes. Please do well to follow us when you go, or subscribe for more videos. Now when you realize that the other side is well fried, you just flip it to the other side and then you are good to go. And with this, we are just doing deep frying, so it is helping a lot. Yes, one thing I have studied about deep frying is that even when you are busy doing something, it is not going to burn as compared to the shallow frying, because it's deep frying. Every part will be frying at the same time whilst you are doing whatever thing you are doing. Okay, even if you forget yourself for some few minutes, that is not going to burn because everything is in the oil. It is not shallow frying. I hope you get it. Now our fish looks good and it is ready, so we will just go ahead, remove everything from the oil, and then we can proceed. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching from the beginning of the video till now. I do appreciate it and I'm very grateful. Our fish is ready and it goes with everything. Trust me, if you use this fried fish for your live soup, oh my goodness, it is so good. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.